welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, I have discussed about the applications of the extended realities. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the companies that are abusing the augmented reality, virtual reality and the mixed reality. The first company is the Apple. Apple is abusing these technologies to enhance the experience of its customers. Recently, Apple released a new version Pro, a mixed reality headset. It brings an operating system that lets the people use their eyes to move around and enjoy the apps with depth, brightness and shadows. It has the potential to give movie theater feel and with whatever space you are in. And the next one is Lenskart. Lenskart is abusing augmented reality technology that enhance the eyewear shopping experience of its customers, and it has a virtual try-on feature in which people can experience with different trends and they can see how they look on their face and then they can purchase. This type of shopping gives more convenient, personalized and enjoyable for the customers. And the next one is IB Cricket. IB Cricket is abusing the virtual reality experience of cricket playing, and it allows the users to immerse themselves and in the virtual reality world, like playing game and learning, engaging, etc. with the game. And the next one is IKEA. IKEA is abusing the augmented reality and the virtual reality technologies to enhance the furniture in their house and explore the virtual showrooms. In this, the customers can experience the furniture and the layout of the IKEA products and designs. So these technologies can give more experience and help the customers to make the purchasing decisions. Thanks to the NxtWave for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my insights on extended realities, and thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.